So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use the pulling eye and how to do the pop line deployment. So the first thing is, this is steel wire, okay? This is quite ordinary products. You can see, you can get it locally in the field, because whenever you do the pipeline deployment, you must have something to go into the pipeline first, and then you can pull out the steel wire, and then you can draw the cable along with the pipeline. But in that cases, and the tension performance will be here, so your connector will be easily get broken. So that's the reason we're using the pulling eye. The pulling eye, you can see the working theory is here. We're going and insert it, and then this cable has the friction along with your fiber cable. So in that cases, your tension performance will not be focused on here, but along this fiber cable, which means the frictions. So that's a working theory for this pulling eye. So right now I'm going to show you how to use that. The first thing is, you have the steel wire, okay? Make a hook, and then using these things, use our buckle and to tie it, easy to do, okay? The second thing is, because in the first video you already see our pop line is about 30 millimeters, okay? The connector rise is about 12 millimeters, so we have to remove it. So if your pop line is like 15 millimeters or maybe bigger, so you don't need to remove the shoes. Right now I'm going to remove it, so it is quite easy to do. Okay, remove it. So, and then we use this fiber cable and go directly to the nylon protection net. Okay, once this is done, use these two yellow cable, which means the Kevlar, and to make a tie like this. So, okay, just tie it. In these cases, the friction, the tension will be moved from this connector to here, which means the friction. So after you're doing these steps, you use the installation tape, okay, to make a double protection. Means here to seal the net. Okay, the second is to seal this tie. Make it a little longer. So, yeah, I'm a rookie for this installation tape. So you're professional, so you can do much better than me. Right now I'm rolling this installation tape. But anyway, so this is the demonstration. Okay, after that, use this steel wire and go through the top line. So right now I'm going to move my fat ass. You can see here. So how to do that? So easy to do. So after that, you can still reuse these pulling eye. How to do that is quite simple. Take these scissors all by your hands. Okay. Just remove this thin tape. Okay. Then also remove here. Then you can reuse this pulling eye. So you can reuse for next deployment. And for this fiber cable, as I said, you can also assemble these shears easily. So this is a fiber deployment. This is a top line optical fiber deployment. So that's all. Thank you.